In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share WordPress local project with client using Live Link. We'll walk through the site editor to make sure the homepage and branding look right, and then generate a live preview link you can safely send for review. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head into the site editor. From here, go to the Home template. The Home template controls the layout of the page your client will land on, so it's the best place to double-check content before you share anything live. At the top of the editor, switch the preview device to desktop. This ensures what you're about to share is framed for a standard screen. You can always revisit tablet or mobile later, but desktop is a reliable baseline for client feedback. Now, open the home view inside the editor so you're looking at the actual homepage canvas. Click into the header area and select the site title block. This is the piece that typically links back to the homepage and carries the brand name or logo. Make sure it renders correctly and points to the home URL. If your theme exposes quick options in the toolbar or sidebar, you can use those to confirm the styling is consistent. Small checks here save a lot of back and forth later. When you're satisfied with how the home template looks, it's time to generate a shareable preview. In the upper right of the editor, click Preview and choose to open the preview in a new tab. WordPress will spin up a live, sandboxed version of the page with your latest changes, even if you haven't published them yet. This new tab is your live link for the client review. If the preview page prompts you, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress account so the link loads correctly. Some workspaces restrict who can view previews. If your client can't access it, they may need permission on the site to open preview links. In that case, keep security in mind and share access only with the people who need it. Before you send the link, skim the page in the new tab the way a client would. Check navigation, the site title link, back to home, and any key sections you want feedback on. The browser will display a unique URL, which functions as the live review link your client can open to see exactly what you see. That's it. Quick, safe, and no need to publish changes before they're approved.